Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to review Dollartub website. So I will tell you whether you can earn money with it or not. So first thing, you can see that once we sign up on this website, we get $5 account balance or sign up bonus, which is very fishy. So if we go to payment sections and then try to withdraw our money, you can see that minimum cash out amount is $100, which is very difficult to reach. And then other thing, you can see that for watching every video you are getting around $1 watching this only single video. So by observing all of these things, we can easily say that this website is totally fake. And then if we go to review websites like Trustpilot and search Dollartub, here you can see that this website has been labeled as warning. They have detected fake reviews of this company. And on the review section, you can see that only 6% people have rated this website as 5-star, 1% rated it as 4-star, and then 46% people rated at this website 1-star. So lots of people are just giving this website 1-star because of the scam they are doing. And then as you can see, this comment is telling that they just reached $100 and now they have changes the qualification criteria. For example, you need to watch 100 videos, which is fine, but 25 refers and then 5 tasks to be complete. So they are basically just adding more qualification once you reach $100. So they don't allow you to withdraw this money. They will just try to trap in this loop again and again. So once you complete 25 referrals, they will ask you to complete 50 referrals and then 10 tasks, and just like that you will never be able to withdraw your money. So I recommend you to stay away from this website. And if you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel.